Welcome to Kettle Labs How to series. Today, we'll demonstrate how to create ATS report with LLM in GenAI. Let's get started. An ATS, applicant tracking system, automates resume screening by matching skills to job requirements. With large language models, LLMs, you get advanced natural language processing to analyze resumes effectively. Let's explore how LLM can create detailed ATS reports for smarter hiring decisions. Check this simple flow to understand how it works. The flow begins with uploading a resume in PDF or docx format. The system processes it using OCR or parsers, then matches the extracted text with job description keywords. The next step involves using an LLM to analyze the resume, focusing on skills extraction to identify competencies, experience matching to align past roles with job requirements, and providing contextual insights for deeper relevance. After analysis, scores are generated for skill alignment, role fitment, and overall suitability. Finally, a structured ATS report is displayed, providing key insights and recommendations on the candidate's potential. To begin, let's review the code powering the ATS Resume Evaluation system. Follow these steps. Import Doten to manage environment variables. Import Streamlit to maintain UI. Import PDF Plumber to extract resume details. Google Generative AI for insights. Visualize results with Matplotlib. This function extracts text from resume PDF. Apply the Gemini model for content insights. Streamlit displays evaluation scores. Specific prompts ensure ATS-aligned evaluation. Finally, launch the application using Streamlit. Navigate to the terminal and run the script. Verify the Streamlit UI successfully loads in your browser. Retrieve a sample job description from LinkedIn and copy-paste it into the job description field. Then, upload a resume using the file uploader. Once completed, click on Get Percentage Match to start the evaluation. A pie chart will display the match percentage, along with a detailed summary of missing keywords and alignment insights. Click on Evaluate Resume to generate detailed feedback. This includes an analysis of how well your skills align with the job description and provides suggestions for improvement based on content gaps and missing keywords. Stay tuned for more tutorials on GenAI. Thank you for watching.